Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard clay soft. Start by slicing the clay into small pieces, then warm with gentle steam or place in a sealed bag with a damp sponge to restore flexibility. Work in short intervals, kneading gradually, and adding a tiny amount of clay-safe oil if needed. Test often until pliable and store in airtight container to maintain softness. Avoid overheating, which can ruin texture. Start by explaining how controlled hydration helps most clays recover flexibility without damage. Place clay pieces in a sealed bag with a damp sponge or cloth and let them rest until softened. Alternatively, use gentle steam or a warm water bath for even rehydration, avoiding direct heat. If using a microwave, heat in very short bursts and test frequently to prevent overheating and melting. Always knead and condition gradually for best results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find it oddly motivating while I knead clay. It makes budgeting feel as satisfying as softening stubborn clay. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Kneading is the step that transforms rehydrated clay into workable material, so be patient and gentle. Work in short sessions, folding and pressing to distribute moisture evenly and break down stiff areas. If the clay still feels dry, add a tiny amount of clay-safe oil or conditioner and continue kneading until smooth. Finish by storing the clay in an airtight container or sealed bag to preserve softness between uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.